Dear students, I welcome you all in the online EVS class. Children, today we are going to study our lesson number 12, that is our tongue and teeth. Now I request you all to open page number 85 of your EVS book. In this lesson, we are going to study more about tongue and tongue care, teeth and parts of a tooth, types of teeth and dental care. Now be ready to know more about our tongue and teeth with the help of this lesson. Children, our mouth that help us to display different expressions consist of tongue and teeth. Tongue help us to taste and our teeth help us to chew. The tongue is the muscular organ in the mouth that is used for tasting and licking. The tongue has taste buds that detect different tastes of food. Taste buds are located around tiny bumps present on the tongue that give it a rough texture. Then they pass taste signals to the brain. Flavor present in food is a combination of taste and smell. Sweet, salty, bitter, and sour are some flavors. When our nose is blocked, our brain does not receive any smell signals. Therefore, we cannot smell and miss out most of the flavors in our food. The tip of our tongue is sensitive to sweet taste and the back of the tongue is sensitive to bitter taste. Our tongue also helps us to speak clearly. The tongue is very precious. We should take care of it. Now, children, I am going to tell you some ways. If you follow those ways, you will able to take care of your tongue. We should always clean the tongue with a tongue cleaner after brushing. We should avoid too much spicy food and very hot liquids. Rinse the mouth after each meal to remove extra food that sticks on the tongue. Teeth. Teeth give shape to our face and make our speech clear. They help us to chew our food properly so that food can be digested easily. All human beings have two types of teeth. They are permanent teeth and temporary teeth. We all have two sets of teeth, one on the upper jaw and one on the lower jaw. Parts of a tooth. A tooth has two parts, crown and root. The part of the teeth which is visible is the crown. The root is the part hidden inside the gum. Gum is the pink fleshy part that holds the tooth. The crown of each tooth is covered with enamel, which is the hardest substance in the human body. Below the enamel is the dentine, which is like a bone. It is the largest part of the tooth and is very hard. Types of human teeth. Human beings have two sets of teeth in their lifetime. The first set of teeth is called milk or temporary teeth, while the second set is called permanent set of teeth. All babies are born without teeth. The first tooth appears when the baby is 6 to 7 months old. Generally, by the age of 2 years, a child has a set of 20 milk teeth. Around the age of 6 years, these begin to fall off and a new set of 32 permanent teeth replaces them. By the time a child is 12 or 13 years old, he has 28 permanent teeth. 4 more wisdom teeth grow between the age of 12 and 21. As I already told you that all human beings have two types of teeth. They are temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Incisor, canines, premolars and molars are 4 types of teeth found in human beings. Now we are going to study about the function of these different types of teeth. Incisors. Incisors are 8 in numbers, 4 in each jaw. These teeth cut and slice the food. They are also known as biting teeth. Canines. Canines are sharp-pointed teeth. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are used to tear the food and they are also known as tearing teeth. Premolars. Premolars are broad and flat teeth. There are 8 premolars. These teeth crack and crush the food into small pieces. Molars. Molars are broad-side teeth. These are 6 in each jaw. They grind the food. That is why molars are also known as grinding teeth. Dental care. Taking care of teeth is very important. We should clean our teeth after we eat. If we do not keep our teeth clean, tiny microorganisms called bacteria grow on the food stuck in the mouth and produce acids that can make the holes called cavity in our teeth. Calcium makes our teeth strong. We should eat and drink more calcium-rich food. Children, now I am going to suggest you few ways by which you can keep your teeth clean and healthy. You should brush your teeth twice a day with a good toothbrush and toothpaste. You should rinse your mouth clean with water after eating food. Always use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. Always massage your gums with fingers. Avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates. Visit a dentist every 6 months. Children, at last I would like to tell you that our tongue and teeth are very important for us. We must keep them in good condition to enjoy our life. Now there is an activity for you, and this is very interesting activity. You all will enjoy this. In this activity, you have to speak out each letter of the English alphabet clearly, and you have to observe how your tongue moves when you are trying to speak that alphabet. Just try it and you will enjoy it. So at last, brush your teeth every day to keep dentist away. That's all about this lesson. Thank you, children.